This 2025 Coachmen Brookstone 374RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 42 feet 2 inches in length and features a linen interior, sleeps 4, spare tire kit, microwave, water heater, stovetop burner, TV, air conditioning, slide-out, LP detector, refrigerator, leveling jacks, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.